Hey everyone, how you guys doing today? So today we're just going to be talking about a image editing tool called Gimp. It's free. All you gotta do is go to Google and type in Gimp, and this should be the first thing that pops up. So we're just going to hit that, and this is the home page that you'll be seeing right when you open it. All you gotta do is download it. Make sure you download to your certain Mac or Windows. If not, it won't work correctly. So just make sure you're doing that. Um, so now let's just get into it. So to start, you can see it looks very complex, and it is. So this may not be one of the best tools to use for students who have no background into it, because I've been struggling using it and I don't really have a background into it, but we're gonna work with it. So to first, you're gonna want to start new, add a template, or you can also open image from online that you have saved onto your laptop or computer. And yeah, so for this though, we're in my content, which is social studies. I could see us using this type of tool for a creation of a political cartoon about a certain thing that we've been talking about throughout the year. Um, and for example, let's just talk about Manifest Destiny. So, Manifest Destiny is that America should have all the land from the Pacific to the Atlantic. And there's a bunch of images for that. But let's just do this thing real quick. So, this is the Granite tool that you can use. And we're just going to put it right here. This is almost symbolic to the Manifest Destiny idea, because Americans thought they were bringing lightness into dark, so you have that kind of background theory right there. You can add text boxes wherever you need to. So, what's a political cartoon without a little bit of text? So all you got to do is real simple: create a little box, start typing in it. You're good. You guys got that. You can create different backgrounds to it. So if you want something a little more lighter or something like that, all you gotta do is just click here, and it'll make it itself. If you don't like that, you can always hit Control Z, and it just deletes the last thing that you did. So it's really simple that way. Um, you can create, you can draw and paint and other things like this. So let's just use this, and let's create Manifest Destiny. So we have a horse. Doesn't really look like a horse, but it's a horse. And then you have some people coming over here. And then you have some Native Americans chilling right here, who Americans are approaching into their land. So this tool, it's not very easy to learn. So I'd probably recommend looking for something else. But if you are advanced in screen editing and understand all these tools that you can have at your availability, I do recommend using this. Um, Thank you for watching. I hope this gave you a little bit of an idea of how you can use image editing software in the classroom. Thank you.